not need a key card for these. The button?
Sure.
We can go to 3 if you want. Show you my room.
Yeah.
What the hell are you looking at?
There it goes.
Okay, never mind. I'm sorry. These have a feature that I've seen on and off while I've been here, where it'll light up in advance to let you know which one it is, like way in advance, kind of like a Fujitech does.
Interesting.
But it's only been sometimes.
Well, that'll be it.